Welcome students, this is the continuation of health and hygiene chapter. In the previous class we have learnt about diseases caused by bacteria. Now we are going to learn about diseases caused by virus. Viral diseases are extremely widespread infections caused by many types of viruses. Some diseases caused by viruses are hepatitis, chickenpox and rabies. Let us learn them one by one and prevention and treatment of the diseases. First one, hepatitis. Hepatitis is one of the most dangerous and fatal diseases caused by hepatitis virus A, B, C, D and E. So these are the different types of viruses: hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, D and E. So this hepatitis is one of the most dangerous and fatal diseases caused by hepatitis virus A, B, C, D and E. Its mode of transmission is contaminated water, sharing of needles and blood transfusion. This disease is transmitted from one person to another person through contaminated water, sharing of needles and blood transfusion. Then what are the symptoms of hepatitis? The symptoms of hepatitis is a loss of appetite, vomiting, eyes and urine in yellow color. That is, eyes and urine turning to yellow color. See the picture here, the eyes is in yellow color. So symptoms of hepatitis is loss of appetite, vomiting, eyes and urine turning to yellow color. Prevention and treatment for this disease: drinking boiled water, because we know that this disease transmitted through contaminated water. So drinking boiled water prevent this disease. Then proper cleaning of hands. So these are the preventive measures. Next, chickenpox. Chickenpox, also known as varicella, is a highly contagious infection caused by the varicella zoster virus. So the name of the virus is varicella zoster virus. So this chickenpox is also known as varicella because it is caused by the varicella zoster virus. This disease spreads through air and contact with an infected person. So this disease spread through air and contact with an infected person. What are the symptoms of chickenpox? So its symptoms are appearance of rashes on the whole body. See the picture, appearance of rashes on the whole body. Headache and tiredness. So these are the symptoms of chickenpox: rashes on the whole body, fever, headache and tiredness. Preventive measures: prevention and treatment of chickenpox. The chickenpox vaccine is the best way to prevent chickenpox, varicella vaccine. Then special attention should be given to the infected persons. So these are the preventive measures. Next one is rabies. So rabies is a fatal disease which is transmitted by the bite of the infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. The virus present in the saliva of dog enters the brain via neurons. So we know that the functional unit of nervous system is neuron. So the virus present in the saliva of dog enters the brain through neurons. So the symptoms of rabies are hydrophobia, that is extreme fear of water. fever for 2 to 12 weeks, and exaggeration in behavior. So these are the symptoms. So this is a fatal disease. It is transmitted by the bite of the infected animals like dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. Okay. Then prevention and treatment. In early stages, rabies is very difficult to detect. After an animal is bitten, it usually takes 2 to 12 weeks to show any symptoms, and it may take as long as 2 years also. So fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before the onset of symptoms. So we know that what is vaccine? Vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acute immunity to a particular disease. So here, to prevent this disease, vaccination is must. So students, so these are hepatitis, chickenpox and rabies are also communicable diseases, because these diseases also spread from one person to another person. So these diseases are caused by virus. Hope you understood about diseases caused by virus. Thank you.